This is Tuck with Tuck GC, and today we are looking at a driveway, a retaining wall, VDOT apron, low voltage lighting, and a basketball hoop. Let's take a closer look. The VDOT apron is all permitted and approved for the CG9B detail, and this is what you need to do if you want to put in a driveway apron at your house. You do need to get all the proper permitting. Let's take a look at the driveway and the wall. So starting at the apron leads to the wall. That's a chocolate gray wall stone, thick thermal Pennsylvania flagstone cap with a low voltage lighting system. Looks absolutely beautiful. Going back to the rear, we have the big expansive parking area leading to the basketball hoop in the garage. Now my company did not do this other stonework. Another company came in and did it. It's actually a great job. Goes around to the front with some beautiful stone. But we tied into it very nicely, as you see with the wall. We have the accent lighting shining down from both sides, which will light up the step. Nice little touch. And then as you see, it blends in really nice and looks like it was almost built with it. And a continuation of the wall. On the back side of the wall, there's a French drain. This will be covered with landscaping cloth and dirt and mulch by the landscapers once we're out of here and done. And then you see the weep holes on this side, which releases the hydrostatic pressure. Well, this big Mega Slam 54, it's a first for Tuck GC, and I think it came out really nice. Let's take a closer look. The footing system goes all the way down 4 feet like the manufacturer calls, rebar put in place, then a plate system, and then you basically build up from there. This is a very, very nice unit. I highly recommend the Mega Slam. They went together very well. Netting behind it, and as you see, this family's going to have some great basketball times out here. And not to mention, they got about a half court right there, so they'll be playing pretty good. So I hope you like what you see. The project did come out absolutely beautiful. We did some major grading fixing here. Down there at the end of the driveway, we dropped it almost 2 feet. You can see the grading on the right hand side and the retaining wall on the left holding it up. The homeowner could barely even see when they backed out before. Grading's perfect, water runoff is perfect, stone and lighting is perfect, basketball hoop's perfect. So hopefully you can see from this video that Tuck GC knows what they're doing, does quality work, and you'll give us a chance on your job. We did this whole job. The concrete pour was 2 days. Stone was about 2 to 3, so about 5 days front to back. We did have to work around the weather, so it was over a 2-week period. But you know, we're very efficient, very quick, and do great work. So when you get ready to do your project, please give me a call and I'll come out and bid on it. I'm sure you'll be happy with the price, be happy with me, and the work that you get at the end. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.